Everyone thinks the best-selling blender for nut butter is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Ninja Nutri Blender Pro. First up is the Ninja Nutri Blender Pro with Auto IQ, priced at $79.97. This caught my eye because it's labeled a bestseller with over 11,300 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating. If you want a powerful blender that can easily whip up nut butter and smoothies, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The 1100 peak watt motor is a powerhouse, effortlessly pulverizing tough ingredients and even ice to snow in mere seconds. This means you won't have to deal with chunky nut butter. It'll be creamy and smooth every time. Plus, the Pro Extractor blades unlock hidden nutrition by breaking down whole fruits and veggies, so you're getting all those vitamins and nutrients without any waste. With two 24-ounce to-go cups, you can blend and take your nut butter or smoothies on the go, which is perfect for busy lifestyles. And let's not forget, it's compact enough to fit on any countertop. Now, some users have pointed out that the cups might feel a bit flimsy when compared to glass alternatives. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for convenience and portability, these cups do their job just fine and are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This is perfect for you if you're always on the move and want a reliable blender that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you prefer heavier glass containers or are looking for a blender for larger batches. Now, if the Ninja's potential cup issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Magic Bullet Blender. Next up is the Magic Bullet Blender, a true classic at just $34.99. With over 119,500 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's a popular choice, but the real question is whether it can handle nut butter just as well as smoothies. If you're after a compact and budget-friendly option, this is worth a serious look. It's designed to chop, blend, and whip up ingredients in no time. For nut butter, it can handle small batches, but remember, you may need to scrape down the sides occasionally. Plus, it's super easy to use, just load your ingredients, twist on the blade, and blend. Cleanup is a breeze too, with many parts dishwasher safe. However, a few users mentioned it struggles with harder nuts, leading to uneven textures. Honestly, if you're planning to make larger batches of nut butter, this might not be the best fit. But if you want a quick and easy way to whip up smaller amounts without much hassle, it's a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an inexpensive, small blender to make quick snacks or dips. Skip this one if you're making larger quantities or want a more powerful motor. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who really want control over their blending. Product number 3, Ninja SS151 Twisty Blender Duo. Coming in at $139.95, the Ninja SS151 Twisty Blender Duo is designed for serious blending. With a 4.5-star rating from 4,500 reviews, it's gaining traction. If you need a high-powered blender that can tackle tough ingredients, this is worth a serious look. The built-in twist tamper helps push everything down toward the blades, so you get that perfect texture without needing to stop and stir. It also has 5 functions, including nut butters, so you can switch between smoothies, spreads, and more with just a touch of a button. Plus, the Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending, which is a huge time saver. However, some complaints mention that it's a bit bulkier than other models. I'll be real with you, if counter space is a concern, you might want to consider that. But if power and versatility are what you're after, this blender has it all. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful, multifunctional blender that can handle everything from smoothies to nut butters. Skip this if you have limited counter space or don't need all the extra functions. Now, if the size of the Ninja Twisty bothered you, the next product might just hit the sweet spot. Product number 4, NutriBullet Full-Size Blender Combo. Next is the NutriBullet Full-Size Blender Combo, priced at $99.99. With over 10,300 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's a great contender. If you want a versatile blender with both single-serve and large-capacity options, this is worth a serious look. The 3 precision speeds and pulse function give you complete control over your blending, ensuring you get that silky smooth nut butter you're craving. The Easy Twist Extractor blade is designed for maximum ingredient breakdown, so you'll get every last bit of nutrition from your nuts. Plus, it's BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup super easy. On the downside, a few users noted the pitcher can be a bit heavy when full. Here's the thing though, that weight comes from its solid build, so if you want durability, it might be a small trade-off for you. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible blender that can do it all without sacrificing power. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter model for quick and easy handling. Alright, that was a solid choice. But the next one might just be the best for those who love thick blends and have a need for speed. Product number 5, Ninja Foodi Personal Blender. Finally, we have the Ninja Foodi Personal Blender, priced at $109.99. With a 4.7-star rating from 9,700 reviews, this one really impressed me. If you're into making thick smoothie bowls and nut butters, this is worth a serious look. The 1200 peak watt motor combined with its Smart Torque technology allows you to power through heavy loads without stalling. This means you can blend frozen fruits and nuts for your nut butter smoothly without having to stir or shake. It also features a unique smoothie bowl maker for those thick creations, and it comes with a 24-ounce cup for personal servings. The hybrid edge blades are designed to deliver a better breakdown of ingredients, resulting in silky smooth textures. However, some users mentioned they felt the motor could be a bit noisy, especially when blending tough ingredients. Honestly, if you're sensitive to noise, this could be a potential drawback, but for the power and performance, it's a trade-off many are willing to make. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful and efficient blender to make thick smoothies and nut butters. Skip this one if noise is a significant concern for you. Now that we've covered all 5, let's quickly compare them. To wrap it up, we've got the Ninja Nutri Blender Pro for a powerful on-the-go option, the Magic Bullet for budget-friendly convenience, the Ninja Twisty for heavy-duty blending, the NutriBullet Combo for versatility, and the Ninja Foodi for thick, creamy blends. Each has its strengths, so choose what fits your needs best.